I'm Granthali. So Anju, what are we doing today?
So we thought of trying some home remedies for our skin. Actually, we are starting a new series.
Yeah, that is like experimenting. Like we won't use anything. We won't use anything that is like chemical. Like as in face wash, we are talking about normal daily use products which we use in our daily lives. Which we
Instead, we are switching the products of
Yeah.
some home remedies.
as you were saying.
Yeah, so we will switch the products. Like in this video, we are going to switch our face wash that has chemicals. Of course, face wash, बाहर के products में chemicals थोड़ा बहुत तो होता ही है. So we are switching that into our home remedies.
That is like ये तो सबने सुना ही होगा like basic है. Like we have heard this from our mother, our grandmother, and like everyone knows this. That is besan and haldi. But we are going to use it as a face wash. Of course, we are not going to add anything chemical like which would foam easily. But yeah, you will get to know this in this video.
Besan actually cleans your pores, right?
Yeah, and haldi is antiseptic as everyone knows, and it clears bacteria, and also if you have an acne problem or scarring, it reduces that.
Yeah. And also guys, you are not going to use any face wash for
Yes,
7
7
days
days.
and just using these home remedies.
Like we have used this mask but never used it as a face wash, so we'll see the difference.
So guys, we will take you along with us for our journey. So
Yes, let's see if it works or not.
hi guys, good morning. So today is the day 1. So let's mix the products. सो दिस इज़ एन एम्प्टी कंटेनर. तो इसमें आई गेस 1 वीक का प्रोडक्ट तो आ जाएगा. तो इसमें मैं स्टोर कर देती हूँ, आपको बताती हूँ कि कैसे क्या मेजरमेंट से डाल रही हूँ. सो कीप ऑन वॉचिंग. I'm loving the result guys. You can see my skin is glowing and बहुत soft हो गया है skin. So I hope this works, this challenge works और कुछ अच्छा रिजल्ट मिले हम लोग को. You can see right, मतलब फर्स्ट डे पे इतना अच्छा इफेक्ट. So done for today. We'll meet you tomorrow.
So day 1 is done. I feel very fresh and like it feels good. Like you can see the glow on my face. I just hope. Yeah, and now I won't use face wash of course for 7 days. Till now it feels great. We'll see tomorrow.
So guys, it's day 3, as like it's been of course 3 days. I'm just using that haldi besan wala thing on my face, and now I've washed it. I feel like it has also reduced the scarring of the pimples, and also like my skin looks more brighter than before. Like that, it has removed tan, of course I can feel it, and also the under eyes. So yeah, you also please do let us know in the comment section, like can you see the difference, because I can. Actually I'm like also there are some active pimples on my skin going on, as you can see here. So yeah, but I won't talk about them because it's for the marks on your skin and the pigmentation. So there I can see the difference. So yeah, let's see how more 4 days to go.
So guys, if you were wondering कि आज वो मेरे उसमें lumps क्यों थे, आज मैंने मलाई ऐड किया था थोड़ा, because it helps to reduce that acne spots that you have on your face. So today I tried that, and also after drying it makes a very good scrub. अगर उसको आप अच्छे से scrub करोगे तो yeah, it also moisturizes your skin. It is a natural moisturizer. So far so good. I'm liking.
So hi guys, it's day 5 today. So as you can see, like we have thought we'll be doing like day 1, 3, 5 and then 7, because it would be too long. Like so we'll of course be applying this for 7 days, but we'll only just document the alternate days, because or else it will be too long. So yeah, now as you can see, this is my bare face. Now I'll be applying the mask. So yeah.
हे गाइस, सो दिस इज़ द डे 5. सो अब तक आई थिंक आपको थोड़ा बहुत रिजल्ट्स तो दिख ही गया होगा. मतलब आई कैन सी विजिबल रिजल्ट्स. सो आई थिंक यू शुड ट्राई इट, गिव इट अ शॉट. अगर अच्छा हो रहा है कुछ आपके स्किन के लिए तो इट्स गुड, राइट? यू कैन सी द क्लोज अप. बाय.
So we'll meet you once we apply this. So guys, as you can see now, it's dry, like 90% dry. So we kept it for a long time. Like you just have to wash it after like it's 70% dry, or it will just stretch your skin and your skin will become saggy. So we have water here now. What are we going to do is
We will take some water and then scrub it a little.
yeah,
So उससे क्या होगा, आपका डेड स्किन निकल जाएगा. आते वॉश करके because it is very messy.
so yeah, right.
Can you see some difference?
Because we can
Yeah.
actually, it feels really clean. So
And today is the day 7 of this challenge या series. जो भी
Yes.
आपको बोलना चाहूँगी. My experience was good. मतलब ऐसे मेरे को लगा नहीं, मेरे को कुछ कमी नहीं पड़ी कि I am not using any face
Face
wash,
wash,
तो उससे मुझे कुछ प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है. No. I
And-
think pretty much ये clean कर देता है स्किन को और उल्टा और सॉफ्ट कर देता है.
yeah, because we are not using any chemical, so it takes time for our skin also to कोई change होता है तो of course it takes time. So yeah, but after like 1 or 2 days it started showing the difference. Like as I had, like you must have seen the previous clip, I had active pimples and now it has reduced. Like I can see like pimples बैठ गए हैं. And yeah, and also my like pigmentation के लिए भी it has worked a lot. So yeah,
एक्चुअली सर इसमें एक डिसएडवांटेज है कि इसमें आपको ज़रा थोड़ा टाइम खुद के लिए निकालना पड़ता है क्योंकि वो
exactly.
लेके फेस पे बैठना इज ऑल टास्क.
Also you can do one thing, like when you are bathing you can apply it like थोड़े time पहले and then you can just prepare like, and after you have done like one thing you can
एंड यू डोंट हैव टू वेट फॉर इट कि पूरा
पूरा
ड्राई
dry
हो
हो जाए,
जाए.
exactly.
आप उसको 2 मिनट्स के लिए रखूंगी एंड देन उसको स्क्रब करके निकालोगे,
निकालो.
देन आल्सो इट विल वर्क वंडर्स फॉर योर स्किन.
Yes. So like we really love this. Will you use it further?
या
Like I would also love, like if I would have any active pimples,
फॉर एक दिन में एटलीस्ट एक टाइम तो
I would use it. Yeah, because खुद के लिए time निकालना is very important.
और अभी लॉकडाउन में
घर पे बैठे हैं,
तो एटलीस्ट डू समथिंग फॉर योरसेल्फ.
and it is also available at your home only.
Yeah.
You don't have to like it's not fancy.
इट
anything
इज
like-
बजट फ्रेंडली आल्सो. मतलब
सबके घर पे
Yeah.
होता ही है वैसे ingredients है, and it worked, like we loved it. So also if you try it, please do let us know in the comment section below. And
also you can tag us on our Instagram.
Yeah, and also if you have any more suggestions for us, and if you want us to try
out
anything,
something
New.
recipes, some
So-
remedies.
so try it on our skin and we'll let you know. So yeah,
For more such videos,
do like
share
and subscribe to our channel
Unicorn Diaries, and don't forget to turn on that bell notification so you will get notified every time we upload a new video.
And also do check out our Instagram because we post many skincare and remedies there, and also makeup
And also the behind the scenes.
things. Yeah, so do follow us there.
Yeah.
Link will be in the description box below. And
And
yeah,
also stay humble,
work hard.
and be kind. Bye.